What's up, guys? Ego here, and today I am going to be playing some League of Legends Wild Rift for the very first time. Because why not? So, of course, I'm going to be doing no commentary, but that's perfectly fine. So today we're going to be playing some League of Legends Wild Rift for the very first time. Because why not? Yes, this is my first time ever playing this game. And no, I do not know how to play it, obviously. But I will learn. Why? Why will I learn? Because I choose to. And because why not? My last video, I did Night at the Infirmary. Today, I'm going to be playing League of Legends because I was told by a good friend of mine that not a lot of people watch Roblox and play Roblox anymore, and they told me to look up and see what games were popular for mobile. Of course, I only have my phone, so I can only play mobile games. So, of course, I did look that up, and League of Legends Wild Rift was listed, so yeah. Wait, letting this download. $97, $98, and $99, $100. Okie dokie, time to restart the game. I have watched Arcane, and it seemed like a pretty good series, so I'm kind of actually excited that I'm like screen recording and, well, not screen recording, making this video, whatever you want to call it. But I'm happy I'm doing this. I do not have a Riot account. Let's make one for 2011. Single player, enter. I guess we're going single player. We enter them, if that's the case. Use carefully. Okie dokie. Now I want to play North America. Yeah, I'm gonna play North America. I know nothing. I don't know much about it. I know nothing about English. Correct me if I'm wrong. This kind of looks like Mobile Legends.
to the cancel icon.
Hey, it's V!
Don't worry, everyone dies. Get back out there and show them your strength.
Stand together! Double time!
Alright, peeps.
My blade is yours.
Alright friends, that's the end of my video. I'll talk to you guys later. Goodbye. And sayonara. Sucker!